I'm AMI TV Bureau reporter Alex Smythe. In part 2 of this 3-part AMI digital exclusive series, I am joined by AMI TV Bureau reporters Beth Deer and Grant Hardy, along with Bureau producers Emily Ramsey and Amit Tandon, to hear their unique takes on filming safely during the COVID-19 pandemic. Working with COVID-19 protocols in place has been an interesting adventure for me and my team. We've kind of navigated through different styles of shoots, and we've done both working remotely and doing interviews over Zoom. We've done them in person and out in the field during COVID. And I find each shoot now takes on a personality of its own.
So I have been out on one field shoot since the pandemic has started, and it was with Alan Nursel at the TELUS World of Science. We wore masks, we physically distanced.
We have had some opportunities to do some hybrid or in-person segments for shows like AMI This Week, and we've always done it at the comfort level of our guests. If they are interested in meeting up in person, we would meet up in an open space outside, such as a park. We always wore PPE, and we would maintain social distancing regulations as recommended by Ottawa Public Health.
Some of the things that we've had to keep in mind when we are shooting out in the field during COVID is how we approach certain stories. So usually the ones we have done have taken place outdoors, where there's lots of space for us to separate and socially distance between ourselves, our guests, and the rest of the crew, to put on masks when we had to and follow all the COVID-19 protocols we needed to during this time.
You know, it's about being transparent, being open, and just communicating clearly. So whether you're letting someone know that I'm wearing a mask just to allay any anxiety around being closer to someone or someone being in their space, before even arriving, we would just communicate like, these are our policies. This is what we're going to do to keep you safe and keep us safe.
We do things a little bit differently on our team. Instead of me filming myself whilst doing the interview, I do the interview just via Zoom. I then record what we call stand-ups, and they are then placed in the stories that then go off to be aired.
When I learned that we were going to shoot our content from home using our phones and interview people using Zoom, I was really excited because we weren't going to have to leave our audience sort of out in the cold. We were going to be able to keep our content production flowing during COVID, even when we couldn't go into the office or out in the field.
Definitely, I would like to get back out into the field and be able to be with my team in person and meet new people. But I would also like to continue doing some Zoom interviews, I think.
In terms of some of the challenges with shooting from home, well, you can imagine I'm blind. I've never really shot videos on my own. And even being someone who loves technology, it's so easy to accidentally, flip the zoom setting, or worse, forget to flip from the back camera to the front camera, and suddenly you are capturing a beautiful view of my window blinds instead of my face.
To learn more about AMI, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.